So one thing that a lot of people really need to keep a lookout for is as this snow starts to melt, what you're gonna have is ice dams built up in your valleys, on your roofs, and around your pipe jacks, around your furnace heater, your water heater jack that's coming through the roof, your dryer vent that's coming through the roof. And that's a lot of places that once these ice dams start melting, will actually start coming inside the house if your previous roofer did not install ice and water shield in all your valleys, around your pipe jacks, and around your chimney. So keep an eye out for coffee stains. Look for any kind of watermarks. They basically look like coffee stains in your ceiling. And if you notice anything like that, you need to give us a call right away so we get out there and we can mitigate the damages immediately. A lot of people don't think about those things, but you know, ARS, we always, every single re-roof that we do, we always install ice and water shield in every single valley, around all pipe jacks, around all chimneys, around every roof penetration to avoid any kind of leaks that would be happening, because there's going to be a ton of them, and I can guarantee in Dallas-Fort Worth there's going to be probably thousands of them. Keep an eye out for, you know, look at your ceilings.
Water. And I'm like, what? I said, what's the noise? And then she's like, no. She said, look, the water. And I'm like, what the hell? And I'm like, and we could see the water coming in.
And that corner over there is real bad too.
Yeah. And not realizing it was locked.
Yeah, I wish you would have.
Carpet's soaking wet.
This city does.
And they were sitting.
Mike, it's at 100% right here.
Oh, I'm sure I can smell it.
Yeah. 2 foot all the way. I would go 2 foot all the way around, and then right here, look, we're reading 100% all the way up here. Yeah, I mean, I can almost put my fingers to this sheetrock. So I would go 5 foot there, 2 foot all the way around. This entire, see? 15%, 19, what is it reading? 30%?
For the most part. Yeah, we have some cold months, but never where it's, the field light temperature is -9.